Hi friends, this is Dharmendra once again with my new video in which I am going to tell you how to use oops, lengthen and stretch command. Oops. And then stretch. Okay. Now oops is all about recalling a command. Suppose we have drawn an object and we are just deleting this object. Okay. Now whenever we want to recall that particular object, we will use oops command to recall. Okay. This way we have undo and redo, this kind of redo, isn't it? We have recalled the object which was already deleted. Now lengthen is quite useful command which is used in drawing whenever we used to draw a plan or any particular project. First I am taking a line of 10 unit, that means 10 mm. Okay. Now use len for lengthen command. We have 4 options here: delta, percent, total and dynamics. For delta we use initial 2 letter to activate the command, D enter. Here it's asking about the delta length. We will provide the delta length. We are just providing 10 unit more, 5 unit. Okay, and we are clicking at the end point. This way we have increased the line by 5 mm more. I'm just measuring the distance. Initially it was 10 mm, now it must be 15 mm after the command. Okay, this way we have used lengthen command using delta. Once again activating lengthen command, LE enter. Now percent, the total line is all about 100%. If you want to decrease the size, we will provide less than 100% measurement, and if you want to increase the size, we will provide more than 100. The enter, I am giving here 50 unit, that is 50% of the total length, and selecting the object, it will become 5 mm of length after measurement. Okay, this way I have used 50% of the total length. That means it is already deleted the half of the length. Now once again providing lengthen command. Now it's total. For total option we will provide T in command line, and total length I want to increase the size to 20 mm. So I am giving total length 20 mm here, and when I will click on the line, it will become 20 mm of length. Let me measure it out, DLI. Okay, so you get it, it's 20 millimeter in size. Once again using lengthen command, LEN enter. Now dynamic is another option. Click on the end point of the line and drag towards the screen where you want to increase the size of line. This way we can use dynamic to increase or decrease the length of line. Even we can provide the length as well. If we are going to provide 10 mm as a length, it will increase by 10 unit more. So it was all about lengthen command. Now stretch is there. S enter. We will click on endpoint and move towards the displacement. We can even provide the displacement length as well. I am providing here 10 mm. It will displace by 10 mm from the base point. Now stretch is also used to increase the size of or increase the length of a particular object. Through double clicking we may extend the size of line. This one. So it was all about oops command, lengthen and stretch command. Keep practicing and like and subscribe my channel.